This video is to review solving for a variable, a skill that is used throughout geometry. So in number one, we have 2 parentheses x minus 6 equals 18. So in order to solve, the first thing we have to do to get rid of our parentheses is we have to distribute. So we're going to multiply both parts by 2. So we get 2x minus 12 is equal to 18. Then we're going to use our inverse operations to solve for x. So remember, we want to add or subtract numbers over first, and then the last multiply or divide to get the variable by itself. So I'm going to add 12 to both sides. I get 2x is equal to 30. And then I'm going to divide both sides by 2, and I get x equals 15. In number 2, we have the variable on both sides. So we're going to move the smaller variable, which in this case is 2x, to the other side. If it's a positive 2x, we want to subtract it to the other side. So we get 7x plus 8 is equal to 29. Then we're going to subtract 8 on both sides, so 7x equals 21. When we divide by 7, x is equal to 3. Again, in number 3, we have a variable on both sides. So to get the variable on one side, this time the negative 8w is smaller, and it's negative, so we are going to add 8w to both sides. 15 plus 10w is equal to 45. We're going to subtract 15 on both sides. 10w is equal to 30. When we divide by 10, w is equal to 3. In number 4, in order to solve for y, first we need to get rid of our parentheses, so we are going to distribute on the left-hand side the 3, and we get 15y minus 27 is equal to, we're going to distribute the negative 2. We're not going to distribute to this y because it's not in parentheses. So when we rewrite, we have negative 12 plus 4y plus y. We can combine these two together. So we get 15y minus 27 is equal to negative 12 plus 5y. So here the smaller variable is 5y, so we are going to subtract that from both sides. 10y minus 27 is equal to negative 12. We can add 27 to both sides, so we get 10y is equal to 15. So when we divide by 10, 15 is not divisible by 10, so we're just going to reduce that to 3 over 2. Number 5, we have a distribute the 6x plus 30 plus 2 is equal to 4x plus 23 minus x. So on the left-hand side, we have 30 and 2 that can combine, so we get 6x plus 32. On the right-hand side, we have the x's that can combine together, so we get 3x plus 23. Remember, when you are combining your x's, that whatever sign it has, that's the sign you use. You only use inverse signs when you're moving to the other side of the equal sign. So our smaller x is 3x. We're going to subtract 3x from both sides. And we get 3x plus 32 is equal to 23. We can subtract 32. 3x is equal to negative 9. When we divide by 3, x equals negative 3. In number 6, we have a proportion. When you are solving a proportion, you are cross-multiplying. Because this is x plus 3, I'm going to put that in parentheses. So I have 7 times 5 equals 7 times x plus 3. So we get 35 equals 7x plus 21. We can subtract 21 from both sides. 14 equals 7x. When we divide by 7, x equals 2.